Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Miguel was driving home from the gym and opted for a more scenic route rather than his usual route. That turned out to be a mistake. When he stopped for a red light, he noticed an oncoming Nissan speeding up while, at the same time, a Scion driver changed his mind about turning. The Nissan clipped the rear of the Scion, sending it into oncoming lanes and right into the driver's side of Miguel's Tesla. Thankfully, nobody involved in the accident was harmed, but police and paramedics still responded to the scene. Miguel filed an insurance claim, and it took 9 weeks for the body shop to repair his Tesla. There was extensive damage to the entire left side of the car, and the total cost came to $20,000 US. Since the Scion driver hadn't used their turn signal, the two drivers were each found 50% responsible for the accident. Even with the Teslacam footage, it still took the insurance companies 3 weeks to determine who was at fault. Miguel can't help but wonder how long it would have taken if there wasn't video evidence to help out. He also wonders why he had to take the scenic route that day. We ran a poll asking if you'd rather take the fastest route to your destination or the scenic route. 33,000 people voted, and the result was that 60% of you prefer the scenic route. We can't blame you. Bobby was sitting at a traffic light in Wilmington, North Carolina, when a truck suddenly blew through the intersection, smashing into other traffic. After the crash, Bobby heard an engine revving and tires screeching, so he knew the incident wasn't over yet. After making sure traffic was clear behind him, he put his car in reverse just in case. Sure enough, the truck driver made a run for it. It looks like he might have even been aiming at Bobby, but he was ready. He reversed and managed to escape being involved in the accident. Bobby stuck around to provide the police and the victims with his Teslacam footage, and they were all very grateful. Bobby told us he thinks he might get flack in the comments for backing up, but we aren't sure why. That was the save of the year. Well done, Bobby. Adam and his wife were attending the Chiefs vs. Seahawks game on Christmas Eve. They just finished tailgating before walking into the stadium. As soon as they got inside, Adam got an alert that his car alarm had been activated. After rushing back to his car, he found this Sentry Mode video. Is it possible that the bass drums set the alarm off? Now that is alarming. Felix was heading home after a day of snowboarding in the Swiss Alps. While traveling through a small town, he noticed a man with a walker get stuck at a railroad crossing while the gates were lowering. Felix put his car in park and hurried over to rescue the man. Great job, Felix! This episode is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Raid is a turn-based MMORPG that's completely free to play with millions of players online and over 80 million downloads. Collect over 600 champions while you battle in dungeons, campaigns, and PvP matches. Raid has prepared something special just for new players. You can now vote for your favorite starter champion. Download Raid Shadow Legends from the link below, copy your in-game player ID, then enter it and vote for your favorite champion at championselect.plarium.com. Don't miss this opportunity to win awesome in-game and real-life prizes like epic and legendary champions and even Amazon gift cards worth up to $1,000. If you already play Raid, you can also unlock a promo code that will grant you a special in-game gift, visuals for the Champion Elect event. New players can use our link or scan this QR code and get a free starter pack, including this cool in-game loot. Snow had fallen the night before as DJ was headed to work, and an SUV driver demonstrated just how slick the roads were. DJ was driving slowly enough to avoid any collision. The SUV driver curbed his wheels on the center island before continuing on his way. Chris had parked his Tesla one night on the streets of downtown Buffalo, New York. Around 3 a.m., someone threw a glass liquor bottle at the passenger door. This caused a huge dent and also damaged the chrome trim. Chris tried to file a police report, but they said there isn't much they can do since the vandal can't be identified from the video. We thought maybe one of our viewers might recognize him. He was wearing a jean jacket with a large graphic on the back. If you have any information, let us know and we'll forward it along. Richard was driving his Model 3 in the passing lane on State Route 91 in California when another Tesla suddenly swerved through the lane barrier. A Subaru driver had no chance to stop and rear-ended the Tesla. It looks like the Tesla driver may have been braking, but truthfully, we have no idea what's going on here. Leave a comment with your theory. Luis parked his Model 3 in a parking garage in Montreal. When he returned 30 minutes later, he discovered that his charging port cover had disappeared. Sentry Mode captured what had happened, and Luis almost couldn't believe his eyes. Another Tesla owner in a Model S Plaid pulled up and parked in front of him. He then got out, walked to the back of Luis' Tesla, then broke the charging port cover off and took it with him. Luis told us he's never seen the guy before. There are paid charging stations in this garage, but he hadn't needed to charge. So he told us he hadn't parked in front of any of them. Instead, he chose a space with a regular electrical outlet and plugged in there, figuring he'd get a little electricity even if the charge was slow. He thinks he might have taken this guy's favorite parking space by mistake. He filed an insurance claim and made a police report, but he hasn't heard back from the police yet. Luis had to pay $280 for a new charging port cover. Daniel was driving 80 miles per hour in the passing lane, overtaking other traffic on the German Autobahn. Remember, it's illegal to overtake traffic on the right side in Germany unless both lanes are filled bumper to bumper. Suddenly, a black Model Y approached at about 100 miles per hour, as calculated by our submitter using the lane marking gaps, crossing all 3 lanes before entering the emergency lane. What the Tesla driver didn't know was that there was already another car stopped in the emergency lane. When they noticed this, they hit the brakes in an attempt to avoid hitting the car at 100 miles per hour. Then, rather than continuing to decelerate and merging behind the black VW, he accelerated, barely missing the stopped car. Yeah, we have to roll the jingle for this one.
That Tesla man can't drive. That Tesla man can't drive. That Tesla man can't drive.
Giorgio lives in the Italian Alps, an area close to several nice mountain passes. When the weather is good, swarms of bikers arrive. Giorgio says, unfortunately, the bikers think of themselves as MotoGP champion Valentino Rossi, taking risks and sometimes getting in accidents. But Italy isn't just famous for MotoGP riders, they also have a pretty good Formula One team. So of course, these mountain passes also attract some four-wheeled wannabes. This clip is almost identical to the last, but this time it's a car heading straight for Giorgio. Want to see the most American submission we've ever received? Here it is! Check out what David witnessed while driving in Chicago, Illinois. Someone left a garbage can in the middle of a busy street, and people were actually using it as a drive-through garbage dump. We gotta throw our fast food trash somewhere, right? Joshua was driving in Sugar Land, Texas, when he witnessed a driver who thought they were racing for NASCAR. They soon lost control and went off the road, hitting a construction sign and sending it into the road. Instant justice, perhaps? Tony was driving his Model X with Navigate on Autopilot engaged on the Garden State Parkway in New Jersey. You know, I think we get more submissions from this road than from any other. As Autopilot was exiting the passing lane, Tony crashed into another driver that was merging into the same lane at the same time. The police were called to the scene and a crash report was made stating Tony was not at fault. Wanna guess why the other driver was found responsible? Post your theory in a comment. Colin was driving south down I-520 when he saw a black car quickly dive out of the passing lane to go around another black car with hazard lights active. After the first black car moved out of the way, a white truck didn't seem to notice the other car before slamming into it. The truck was then sent across the highway, hitting another truck and taking it along into the ditch. Thankfully, everyone was okay, and Colin provided his Teslacam footage to the Augusta Police Department. Unfortunately, the original footage was later overwritten, and all we have is this phone video of his Tesla's screen. We have one more phone video to show you. It's from Victoria, who was sitting in her parked Model Y with her daughter when they felt two impacts a few seconds apart. She looked at the Teslacam recording right away and saw that a Toyota 4Runner had rear-ended her twice. When Victoria confronted the other driver, he immediately became aggressive. She called the police and an officer soon arrived at the scene. At first, the other driver tried to convince the officer that Victoria had caused the accident. When the officer viewed the Teslacam video, he had no more questions about who was at fault. This submitter had parked his car in front of a store while picking up a cake. When he returned, he noticed a white Toyota parked behind him, blocking his and another car from leaving. After waiting for a couple of minutes and seeing nobody around, he tried honking a few times while he searched for the owner of the vehicle. He also noticed the Toyota didn't have any license plates. About 7 minutes later, the driver finally showed up. When the submitter's wife confronted him about blocking them in, he got so upset with her that he flipped her off as he left. The submitter isn't sure what they did wrong here. The submitter also noticed the Toyota had both Lyft and Uber signs, but he wonders how the guy was driving around without any license plates. Jack was driving his Model Y in Brisbane Down Under. All of a sudden, a pedestrian walked into 3 lanes of traffic without looking. The guy didn't seem to have a care in the world for anyone, including himself. He just kept marching onward without skipping a beat. This submitter was driving in Carrollton, Texas when Teslacam recorded a 3-car accident. Our theory is that the 2 cars turning must have run the red light. What do you think was going on here? Pavu encountered a wrong-way driver on a major Boston street on his way to work. He says this wasn't the first time this has happened to him at this exact location. The other drivers in front of him didn't seem to care about the wrong-way driver, passing him as if nothing was amiss. Pavu decided to stop and wave the poor guy onto a side street. He was visibly thankful for the chance to get off the road. Pavu sent along a shout-out for his colleagues in the YouTube team in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Wait a second, he works for YouTube? That's our first submission from a YouTube employee. Thanks for all your hard work, everybody.